That's just the normal nowadays. Lightning, non-stop, always, forever. When it's raining, it's lightning, ding, 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 ding. Non-stop, forever, always. He built the ramp and the wall and the ramp and the wall and the ramp and the get there, stamp, stamp, stamp. Gonna heal, 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 heal. Lightning, forever and always. It don't stop. When it rains now, it's just lightning. And then the thunder comes afterwards. Unless you're right next to it. Then it's at the same time. It just don't stop, man. He put the ramp and the wall and the ramp and the wall and the ramp and the get that stop, stop. And I knew the lightning was going to take that power and turn it off. Because it's non-stop. Like it always is now. Every time it rains, it just never ends. It's just 24/7 lightning, ding, 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 ding. As long as it's raining, ding, ding, ding. I knew the power was going to go out, so I put the light up there preemptively. I know big words. I just don't like to use them all the time. But periodically, see? Yeah, that's another big word. A humongous. I don't know another word for word, but you know what I'm saying. And I got Ari. I said, Ari, you go inside your hideout. Go in there and hide out. So she in there. She hiding. She's scared. Kinda. She's not really scared, but does it ever stop lightning? Ding, 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 ding. I don't think so, bud. We're in a new era. Lightning, ding, 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 ding. Peace out, cuz.